In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to set up and create a blog using Blogger. The first thing that we're going to want to do is sign into our Gmail account or any Google account. I can simply click on this Gmail link right here. Alternatively, I'll type in gmail.com. We're going to want to sign in, and I'm going to do that right now. And I've got Droz NYC, and then simply pop in your password. And alright, we've arrived to our Gmail email account. So now what we can do is open up a new tab, and we're automatically already logged into all of the apps that Google has to offer. It's taking a little while, so I'm going to click on Load Basic HTML View, and we've got an old school view. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new tab. I'm going to go to blogger.com. Great. And so now what I notice is that we've got lots of postings that we're looking at from a blog I created back in the fall of 2015. And these are actually just images of student work that they submitted in my graphic design class, whatever. So I'm going to close that one. So that's one posting, and I set it up so students can actually submit their posts via email. I'm going to take a look at this other one. So here we've got another blog from the fall of 2016, and we'll take a look at this announcement. Now we can always go back and edit it, and so for example, if I wanted to edit this, I'm gonna select that word, I'm gonna delete it, and then I'm gonna update this draft. Boom. Sure, so it says some words. I'm not that worried about it. What I am interested in, however, is creating a new blog. So to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this little arrow. It's opens up a drop-down menu that shows all the blogs that I've created, and at the very bottom it says new blog. So we're going to want to create a new blog, and if you've never created a blog before, it's probably simply going to say new blog. And I'm looking right now, I see it says the title for our blog. It's going to give us address, and then we can choose a theme. So I'll do, let's do Soho, sure, whatever, and I'm going to title it last day of summer. And this blog is going to detail all my exploits on Labor Day 2018, and it says address. Let's do LDOS at blogspot or .blogspot.com. Great, so that's going to be our address. Sadly, this address is not available. Somebody already scooped it up, so I'm going to make it 1033, and this one is available. Amazing. So I'm going to simply create blog by clicking on this orange rectangle button at the lower right hand corner of the screen, and it says find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. And I'm going to say no thanks, it's not that serious. Great. And unlike those blogs that we were looking at a moment ago, this one has no posts, and it says create a new post. So I'm going to click a new post. I'm looking at a blank space, and I'm going to write today is filled with so much possibility, like setting up the pool in the backyard. Post title, morning coffee, and then and if we want to include images or change the text, italicize or anything like that, we could certainly do that. If we want to include an image, I can click right here. Do I have anything on my hard drive? Not really. We'll see. No, I really don't. Okay, my living room. Amazing. So we can pop in the living room if we were so inclined. I'm gonna add selected. Boom. And I'm all set with this because this is where my day is starting. And that's all that we really need to know. So I'm going to click save and publish. Do I want to add a comment? No, not really. Do I want it public? I could make it public, but right now I'm going to click it. So now it's not, is it visible? I guess it'd be visible. We're going to find out who do I want to share this with. Circle, it says public extended circles. Nobody really uses Google Plus anymore, but I'm going to click share. I guess I'll do public. Okay. Sure. I will do public. I'm gonna click share, and so it's just out and about in the world. But to what degree people can access this, I don't think anyone's going to be reading this. We can take a look at a few of the settings. So let's think search preferences. Great. Um, there are no meta tags. Let's see. You know what? Let's see. Other. Here's how we could delete our blog if we wanted. Great. User profile. Instead of Google Plus, which is a form of social media that people stopped using in maybe 2010 or 2011, I'm gonna put it on Simply Blogger. I'm gonna save the settings. So I'm gonna switch to a limited blogger profile. I'm going to think about display name, and it's just gonna be Queens Dude. I'm gonna continue to Blogger, so I confirm my profile. And this is simply how people are going to be able to identify me as the author of this blog, Queens Dude. Take a look at a couple of our stats. Nobody's reading it yet. Look at our posts. There are no comments. I'm not trying to monetize this blog, so it's not going to be generating any income. And I'm going to click right here at the very top where it says View Blog for last day of summer. And this is what we got. This cat chilling on the top banner, and then we've got the title of our blog, and we've got a little bit of text. We've got an image. I'm going to left click, and we can see that this is it. Alright, so I'm going to click this left arrow to go back to the main page and check out the archive. Nothing there, only, oh my gosh, it's September. Alright, I'm going to click view blog one more time. I'm not going to click it. I'm going to click last day of summer. I'm going to left click, and I want to add a new post. So I'm going to click on post. Great. And I'm going to left click new post. And I'm going to ask a question. Should I set up the pool in the backyard? Something to think about. I'm going to publish this. Boom. Alright, so I've got two posts, and I can see that this post has 4 views, all for myself. Obviously, if I wanted to delete this, I could. If I wanted to go back and edit it, I could certainly do that. If I wanted to share this with somebody, simply click here right now. However, I'm simply going to view. Boom. I'm going to click this left arrow. It's going to take us back, and I can see now that we've got 2 posts to our blog. And that is just about it in terms of how to create and set up a blog using Blogspot or Blogger.com.